This week in LeTip of Dallas, we are highlighting 3 of our veteran members of our group. But before we get to that, let's take a look at how we're doing so far this year. At this time last year in 2021, we had passed $151,000 in business. In 2022 so far, we have passed over $208,000 in business. That means each seat is worth $9,500. We are well on our way in breaking last year's numbers. Our showboater this week is Nathan Valentine of Valentine Automotive. Nathan has been a member since January 2018. He is our automotive repair specialist and offers a concierge-type service. That means he comes to you for your convenience to repair your vehicle. This saves you time and money and provides a service that many established repair companies cannot compare with. Nathan will be showcasing his billing and estimation process. Knowing what type of vehicle you have is critical for Nathan to diagnose your mechanical issues. Simply a description of the problem is not enough. That is why Nathan requests VIN numbers and other critical information in order to better repair your automobile. Our greeter this week is Collin West of eWater Health Emporium. Collin has been a member since March 2015 and is our water purification expert. What's important to note is that water is one of the most important parts of one's daily life, and that if you fill your body with impure and polluted water, then your body becomes toxic. If you don't filter your water, then your body becomes a filter. Collin can provide you with a 4-state reverse osmosis system that eliminates the toxic elements found in our water systems, giving you clean, pure water to drink, cook with, and even shower with. Finally, our featured speaker this week is Titus of Techweb. Jose has been a member since December 2014 and is our IT consultant. Jose manages computer networks and protects them from cyber attacks such as denial of service, phishing campaigns, and other technological threats. When working on your network, you want to ensure that it is safe from outside influence and access to critical and personal information. A small amount of money spent on safeguarding your computer network potentially saves thousands of dollars in repairs and ransom payments. These veterans have been with us for many years, and LeTip of Dallas has successfully put dollars in their pockets. Join us this week at Sherlocks Baker Street Pub in Addison. Arrive anytime after 11:15 a.m. for networking with our members and other guests. Our meeting starts at 11:46 promptly. Meet our members and guests and find out how we can help you put dollars in your pocket.